If you're watching this video, that is simply because you want to understand what HeroFX is. You might be looking for a new broker, or you're just super curious. Well, I'm gonna be breaking everything down for you as a trader. If this is something you should do, what makes HeroFX different from like GatesFX or other brokers that you might be trading with, and why you should go with HeroFX if you're this type of trader. And within this video, I'm gonna guide you on how you can get in my community for free by literally tapping in with the brokers we use, which we'll explain a little bit. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'll talk about GatesFX and also HeroFX. These two by far are the brokers that I'm noticing a lot of traders are moving over from KOT, 24K, Vital Markets, Sage Markets. There's two different comparisons between the two and why one is better than the other for that particular trader. What I like about HeroFX that stands out 100% than any other broker is the Hero 10X your trading capital. What this means is you're almost trading like you're in a prop firm environment without all of the prop firm environmental rules, from consistency, drawdown. With HeroFX, you're able to take a small deposit and 10x that amount, just like if you wanted to purchase a prop firm challenge. You're basically doing the same thing with HeroFX, but in a whole completely different way, and I'm gonna explain that in a little bit. With the GatesFX, they offer a 100% deposit bonus, so if you trade something larger like $1,000, I would highly suggest go with GatesFX. HeroFX, you're able to take a $50 account to $500 initial balance. Some of the rules they do have here that you should know. One is you do have a drawdown rule at a 10% fixed drawdown on your initial balance, which is the $500. Other than that, there's no other rules that you really should be curious about. However, there's something else you should know. In their open agreement, they mention that if you're trading Forex majors, Forex minors, your leverage is set at 1 to 6.6. If you're trading crypto or metals or indices like we do in our community, your leverage is even set lower. So this might be the biggest con that you could face when dealing with this. And this is why I highly suggest, if you are trading with small profits, go with a $2,500 account or go with a $5,000 account. This is like $500 or even $250 you can get into. Now, let's say you want to skip the 10x account and you just want to trade with HeroFX. HeroFX offers MT5 and also TradeLocker. If you ever want to know what their spreads are and commissions are based on the type of account that you want to choose, we have a site for you to go to, which is ForexPropRank. I'll link it down there so you can just check it out, but it'll show you all of the different spreads based off the instrument you like. So if you want to trade something like Euro USD or CAT, you can see everything here. Like myself, I love oil, so I can see that all exclusively here. Now, let me stop real quick and mention something. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm here to guide you. If you are new or still struggling on how to trade and you want to learn how to really grow and scale an account, we can help you. TradeWithSolo.com is teamed up with HeroFX and even GatesFX, meaning if you deposit at least $250 or if you get the $250 10x account, you're able to get in our community for absolutely free. Why is this? Well, one, because this is what we trade when we post signals. When I send out signals, I'm sending out prices based off Gates and also or HeroFX. With that being said, all you have to do is deposit at least $250 using the link that is down below. From there, you email us at joinsolonetwork@gmail.com. Our team will get to you ASAP and get you in our community for free, where you get all of the exclusive videos, and from there, you're locked in. So what else you should know? Well, with HeroFX, at this time of me recording this video, they do not hold any license like GatesFX does, which is basically the FSCA license, which is a license based in South Africa. So that being said, that can be a pro or a con depending on your scenario. You get everything you need with HeroFX, just considering that the fast execution is there, the support is there, and everything you need is there. Let's talk about deposit. Coming in your left hand side, you see that we have a sidebar that says deposit. You click that, you're simply brought to here. Now, there's two ways to deposit with HeroFX. One is you can literally use a card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. It's still going to have you purchase it through crypto, so let's not get that confused. If you do have your own exchange, it can probably be a little bit cheaper. When you go to crypto.com, and if you don't have an account, use the link down below. All you are going to want to do is buy your crypto. We're going to go with Bitcoin, but I highly suggest going with a stable coin like Tron or like USDT or USDC, just because it doesn't move when the money is in the actual crypto itself. Let's say we go with Bitcoin. What we're going to do is say, I want to deposit at least $500. All we're going to do is hit buy. We now have Bitcoin in our actual wallet. The next thing you will want to do is send that from here to HeroFX. And how we would do that is very simple. If you're using the app on crypto.com or if you're using the web version, it's quite the same. all you're going to do is select the crypto that you purchased, which is Bitcoin, and you're just going to hit withdraw. And then from withdraw, it's going to ask you what wallet do you want to send it to. And all you're going to do is go to HeroFX, and from HeroFX, you want to make sure you select the actual coin that you use, which for us, it was Bitcoin. So we select Bitcoin and we hit confirm. And the moment we do that, we're going to say, how much are we putting in? Let's just say 1,000. And then we're going to go ahead and hit USD. And then I was asking, please send a Bitcoin to this wallet, which is this. We copy that and we come here and then we add it to our crypto.com section. And then it's going to send it over there. That is literally how simple it is. Same process. So at the end of the day, this is what I recommend for traders that want something quick, that want something simple, and that has low capital. If you still want to trade with HeroFX with big capital, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So that being said, if you guys want to get in tune with our community once again, which is the Trade with Solo community, remember, deposit at least $250 into the trading account, whether this is with HeroFX or even GatesFX. And then from there, you email us at joinsolonetwork@gmail.com. We get you in our community. We help you become a better trader and lock in.